Mahal, pag inoferan kita ng $10 million, tatanggapin mo?
Yes.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you.
Okay. Pero ang catch, hindi ka na magigising bukas. Tatanggapin mo pa rin ba o hindi na?
Nope.
Hindi mo na tatanggapin?
Hindi na.
Okay. So, ang moral lesson of the story, always wake up with a smile, be thankful and happy. Bakit? Ang buhay natin, worth more than $10 million. Diba? If you don't know,
Now you know.
okay, and since katabi ko ng aking mahal na asawa, find a partner that brings out the best in you, supports you, and still loves you even at your worst and most helplessness. Diba? Yun. Ito mo naman, napakaswerte ko. Akalain mo ba naman, mas malupit pang mag-rap sa akin? Boom! Panis!
Bye-bye.